I mean, this was my idea. And this is all that goes into it. So we just have to kind of be easy breezy cover girl. If you squeeze the clutch in to come to a stop.
Ooh, something smells hot.
I think that might be my brakes or rear tire. I think I burnt some rubber.
Oh, you did, but yeah, it might be the smell.
Oh, you think? Yeah, it smells like rubber to me. Anyway, what I was gonna say was, yeah, I think I went down to first to do that. You could do it in whatever gear you're already in.
Sure.
You just have to kind of pull in the clutch and then give it some gas. Yeah.
Fucking hell.
Hold on a second. Put your petcock facing to 6 o'clock. It's like at what, 3 o'clock now?
Well, it was pointing towards my dick. So now it's pointing straight down.
Okay, let's see if that does anything. I think we might have run out of reserve fuel.
Now the bowl's empty.
Oh, I'm not in neutral.
It has to start neutral?
I don't know, but I don't know if it's in gear, if it wants to do anything. I don't know. I can't. My neutral light doesn't work as well as yours. Neutral.
Oh.
Oh, is your bike on?
Yeah. The green light's on.
I don't know if my bike is on. Okay, I'm on.
Far cry from the BMWs and the... I was going to adjust my mirror, but I can't take my hand off the throttle.
You ready?
Yeah, I guess. I'm sitting so far back in the seat.
What'd you say?
I was sitting so far back in the seat, I was like Superman.
All right, we're making a right here.
Making it right here.
Yep, hairpin. Keep the throttle on.
Okay. Glad I opted for second or first gear on that. Are the mirrors adjustable? They feel tight.
They're new. Yeah, they're adjustable. You got a car coming up behind you. I think that's the mayor. My bike does not sound happy. I'm gonna pull over to the right here to let that guy go. We're gonna pull in this little pull off. Keep your revs up. Oh, he's coming behind us.
Oh, I stalled. I stalled. Hang on. No, I can't find neutral. Come on.
Adjust your mirror before you start up again.
I'm just trying to get to neutral. Oh, it's all the way up. I guess people were shorter in Japan. Oh, I got it. Well, I didn't get the throttle yet, but fucking hell. There's got to be an art to this.
Are you still in clutch? In choke?
And what?
Your choke still on? Okay. Do you want to switch? Put that on the kickstand and hold this.
Fucking hell.
Here, I'll come to the end and then you take the... Got it? Alright, I'm letting go of the weight.
Then how are we gonna do-si-do again?
Here, turn that one off.
I'll see if it stalls. No, it's idling. It idles at 2,000. Does this have to be up? I doubt it.
No, there's no...
Exciting. What was that, your helmet?
Yeah.
Bellissimo! Remember, I pay for the service, the full service.
Yeah. Like valet.
Just gonna idle. Interesting shakedown we got going.
Yeah. Here's the hunters again. Ready? This bike is happy at 5,500 RPM. Yeah, I'm riding the rear brake through this and keeping the revs up and feathering the throttle. wheels are starting to turn. All right, you got some chunky shit in the road here. I'm gonna go right through it. Oh, don't go right. Oh, shit. Get up on those pegs.
Throttle pin dying. Yeah.
Is she dead? Did I? Oh, shit. Get up on those pegs. Yeah. What?
No, it's down. But maybe I ran out of fuel.
Hold on, I'm coming around.
Maybe I should be on the other side of the road? I don't know.
No, you're fine there.
Yeah, it was just
Can you huff it up to this lay-by?
yeah. It was just slowly losing RPMs no matter the throttle. So it wasn't like a cutout. It was more of it's running out of fuel. Not on.
Is the light on now? Huh.
Does it have a battery?
It does. Alright, your light's on.
Oh.
So you got power.
I mean, it's definitely neutral. I'm not clutches it in. Out.
Alright. Let me see what we got.
Yep, that was the first.
There we go. It's probably just a connection.
Oh, you got it back?
Yeah.
Then, like a third of the time?
It might be in reserve, actually. Might have run out of primary fuel. Because if you just kind of like rolled to a stop.
Yeah. It was like it was thinning out on fuel.
I signed us up to this. You know what I mean? And be like, oh, we didn't get that far today. Oh, we walked home.
Oh, it did idle down to like 1100, 1200.
Yeah, that's where it should be. You ready?
If you like that video and you want to see more like them, hit like, share, and subscribe.